Hey guys, welcome to HowToMedia. In this video I will show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account or temporarily disable it. This process is pretty much similar for Android, iOS and on your desktop. First of all, you need to open your Instagram account. Then look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Click on it. Then press on the three lines at the top right. Then go to settings at the bottom. Search for help and click on it. Go to help center. It will now open in your browser. Look for manage your account and open it. And search for how do I delete my Instagram account. If you can't find it, then you can just go to the search box and type in delete and click on how do I delete my Instagram account. If you want to temporarily disable your account, you click on the link provided at the first paragraph. It will take you to this page where you need to log into your Instagram account and then you can temporarily disable your account. If you only temporarily disable your account, you can recover by simply logging in again. Now to permanently delete your account, you scroll down and click on delete your account. Go to Instagram. Select the reason why you want to delete your account. You can select any of these options. I will select travel getting started. Now you need to re-enter your password. And then press on delete DKG_creations. When you press this, it will permanently delete your account and it cannot be recovered. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, comment down below and please do subscribe.